Alexa, how many days until Halloween?
One more day to Halloween, Halloween, Halloween. One more day to Halloween.
Hi little weirdos, welcome to another video slash vlog. And you are seeing me waking up. And today I've got some things to do. And as you could see, tomorrow is Halloween. So there are some bits that I still have to make ready for tomorrow. And Lucas is already working. And I have mostly house chores to do. And yeah, so but I have some deliveries that I'm waiting for today, so hopefully we can open them together. Let's see. All right, so let's start our day. I'm ready. I'm going to do my breakfast, and this is Lucas being paged. And I have this ton of laundry to do that's been here for days already. Okay, so face is clean, my windows are opened, my clothes are clean as well. I've changed my wax melt and now I'm into the breakfast. I have a lot of cleaning to do in this kitchen, and yeah, and what makes me feel even bad is because I know that I'm going to make the mess all over again because I'm cooking today. So coffee. Coffee, coffee, coffee. Okay, so it's 4:30 and Lucas and I, we had the lunch together and we talked a little bit, and I was just fixing a thing here and there. Yeah, so let me just finish this bedroom mess so I can get it over with. I still have to vacuum upstairs, and yeah, so that's not a very interesting day, but yeah, so I'll finish my chores here upstairs and you're just going to make me company. Here I am again. So I finished my chores like 30 minutes ago, and I am here just like resting. And I forgot that we had to unbox together this little baby that Lucas got me, and there's also one large box downstairs. But first, let's do this little guy over here, and let me switch the camera. And Lucas got this from Amazon. Okay, so say hi to my new baby. This is my Winifred Sanderson from the Hocus Pocus movie. And let's open it. So here she is, casting a little spell. Okay, so we have Winifred over here, Mary, and we have Sarah. So this is the three sisters. And finally I got my collection complete. I've always watched Hocus Pocus and Sleepy Hollow, so if you're looking for a movie recommendation for Halloween, for the big night, I recommend those two in a heartbeat. So let's go downstairs so I can open with you our box that arrived also from Amazon. So let's go. Okay, so I've got my mystery voice to help me. Say hi, mystery voice.
Hello.
So, well, here we have the box, and as you can see, that pretty much the unboxing was already done for me by the transport, and this is supposed to be, drum roll, a Christmas tree. Okay, so let's put this to the floor and let's open it. We got this tree from Amazon, and the price was really good. Hello again, it's Editing Vivi from the future, a future where I'm clean and rest and about to sleep. But I thought that I should show you why we thought that this tree was a bargain. So let me show you. So I hope you guys can see that we paid almost £30 for it. And this is the tree. So this is the little baby that we got, and that was the price we paid. And after we bought it, it changed to this price. So what? And the reviews are really good, and there are pictures and everything like that. So we really thought that it was something wrong with it. It couldn't be this nice of a tree with that price. But anyway, so I thought showing you that perhaps if you dig on Amazon, you can find some nice deals like this one. And just so you know, this wasn't a warehouse deal, so no idea what just happened. I just know that we were lucky. Okay, back to the video. And we initially thought that there was something wrong. Perhaps the sizing wasn't right, because it says it's a 2 meter, over 2 meters long. And we decided to try our luck anyway, and we got the tree, and it's a black one, as you can see. And as soon as we got it, the price went up to 10 or 12 times more. So I'm not sure if this one of those cases that Amazon warehouse like has some special deals, because this is a over 2 meter long tree, and it's also with built-in lights. So as you can see in here, it has the wiring, and the quality, it's looking really nice. So here you can see a little LED light. Since that it's too black in here and I'm seeing on camera that's looking dark, I'm gonna ask Lucas to put it over there to have a better contrast with the floor. So here we have the plug so we can connect the branches. So Let's put it over there. So that's the top section. And now into the middle section. That is this one. And I see here that we have the plug to the Christmas tree. And yeah, so it's a plug. And here is the I think it's the bottom, the middle section. I think perhaps is this one. I'm not sure. This is one of the sections. It's really heavy, so be careful when you carry that. It's a really heavy. Thank you, Mystery Voice.
My pleasure.
The final one, it's here. I usually rate how old an artificial tree was made. Like, if it's like too old, these little tinsels of the tree, of the branches, start to fall out too much. But as you can see in here in the box, there are not many like little fallouts. It's just like a normal. I consider it normal. I've had one Christmas tree in my family for ages, and when it was like, I don't know, 10 years old, you couldn't even touch, and it was going like to crumble on the floor. So I know that this tree is not that old, and the wiring is all in here, and it's good that it's also black, so you can see that you can see. it's really hidden in here. So I'm gonna ask the Mystery Voice to put it in there too. Guys, it's really heavy. The box was 9 kilo, so this branch is about 4 kilo or so. And coming back in here, we have the instructions for the tree, and it seems that it came from, like, it was manufactured in Sweden. And here are like 3 branches as we saw it, and they're saying that it has different tip shapes, which is amazing, which makes the tree look even better. And so it like gives options on how to mold the branches. And we have this little box that came inside, so I'm glad that although the box was really damaged, it was not destroyed and the parts are not missing. And we have more connectors. And oh, now I understand this part. Hold on. So we have this plug in here, but we also got this adapter. So it's on the Irish standard. And here you can see there are 2 holes, so this is probably going to be but like this or like this. So we have the connector. We have the stand that is also black, and it's of course made of metal, and everything is in order. So we are gonna have to assemble it. Okay, so here is the Christmas tree. We are still testing it. We thought that it wasn't going to be this much struggle, and we also thought that I had to put a little light in here, otherwise you would never be able to see that. We thought that the tree would fit in this area over here, but clearly it won't. So Lucas and I are going to test it, perhaps assemble it. We are not sure how much of a struggle that will be, and perhaps this tree is going to be happily living over here on this area. So yeah, I'm going to end this video, and perhaps you're going to see it in the assemble the next video. And yeah, that's it guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I see you into the next one. Bye.